Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from all YouTube channels at once. Let's get right into it. First, you need to get the script we will be using later by opening the link in the description for this video. Click download to download the script to your computer and then open the text file and copy the text. Next, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Click on the subscriptions tab to view your subscribed channels. Go to Manage. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. This will open the browser's developer tools. Go to the Console tab within the developer tools. Paste the JavaScript code snippet you copied in the earlier step. Write Allow pasting if you're not allowed to paste the script, and then paste again. Press the Enter key to run the script. The script will automatically start unsubscribing from channels one by one. Do not close the browser or refresh the page while the script runs. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.